okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag, okay, shorty, 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 go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl LUVME back with another video, and I am going to be doing another wig review today. This time my wig is a very bold change, so I'm hoping I like it. I'm really very basic when it comes to hair color. Like, this is the most I'll do, a little streak or something, just because I don't want to make a big permanent change. I change my mind so often, and I don't want to like color my whole entire head and then get tired of it super quick and want to go back dark. So I usually leave my hair just the way it is, which is why I've been playing in wigs. So I actually put my hair in a braid in the back, and I'm not even tying it up or putting the thingy thing on this time, the stocking cap, and I'm not even tucking it in. I'm just gonna have the tail hanging down up underneath this. Oh, it has this on it. Wait, can you see it? It's like a little piece of forehead lace. What am I supposed to do with that? Can I tuck it in? I'm tucking it in. I'm tucking it in. Here goes nothing. Oh my gosh, I swear. Doing this on camera is so brave. Oh my god, I can't get it. Maybe I do. Oh. What is happening right now? How many inches is this? Why is it so little? Why is it so short? Help. It's not fitting good like the, oh, okay, I see why. So these ear things. Oh. Oh, now it's on right. How is it gonna stay on? Okay. Did it curl? It didn't curl. Am I It didn't curl, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all who I feel like right now. Remember the movie Monster, when Charlize Theron was crazy and she was going killing all the rapists? I thought I was gonna be giving Beyonce. Hold on, wait, hold on, wait. I'm definitely doing something wrong. These little ear hump things are supposed to be right here, right? Maybe because I have my glasses on. I'm about to stick this comb in my braid so that part will stay in place. Okay, she's looking better already. I still think it should go back some more, huh?
Yeah. It's crooked for sure. Okay, what about now? I want it to be like blunt. I don't like this little bump at the end. Okay, so this is the final look, and honey, the body yaddy is everything. The texture is just right. The hair is so soft. The bangs hit where they're supposed to. I just have to straighten her out. But yes, this right here. What's the 411, hun? This is it. Let me just put I'm about to get a hat. See how that looks. Baby. This is a vibe. This right here is a whole freaking vibe. Love Me hair, y'all won. Y'all did the damn thing. This is the one. All right, so my wig review on the Love Me hair. I will link the description of the color underneath. The texture is perfect. Like, it has the right amount of fullness, and the body is everything. She's super cute. Thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, I will be doing more reviews really soon. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I cannot stop running my fingers through this hair. It's so nice. It's so nice. This is going to be, she's the one. If you hesitated on this one, don't get her. Her name I will put on the screen, probably right at the bottom. The curls, look how they're holding. And it's so bouncy. Yes. Giving very much Mary J. Blige. I love it.
Okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty.